Hey my friends and my seniors guys, welcome back guys into this brand new video. And in this video, I'm damn sure that you will learn a lot of important thing and a lot of beneficial thing from this video. So guys, in this video as you also can see in the thumbnail, what is the today's topic? Today's topic is a normal and simple story, but this story you will learn a lot informative thing you will learn from this story. So this story is a class 9 economic chapter, the story of village Palampur. So now we will start the topic, the story. The story is very interesting. If you just guys subscribe my channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel because if you didn't subscribe my channel, so you did not get my any of the notification. I also upload lots of video on my channel, so you did not get this all of the things, all of the important thing you didn't get if you didn't subscribe my channel. So anyways, now I don't waste time this extra thing. Now I will go to the topic. The story of the village Palampur. What had happened on the story we will learn. So first of all, we will introduce the main thing. So there was a village. The village name is the Palampur, and in this Palampur, the main purpose of this village farming. All the people all around the people there just farming all the time. Not only many people just survive to doing the farming, to doing the farming activity, to doing farming activity. So their main work is farming. So in this village is there have a lots of facility. We don't say this thing that this village is not a highly development village, but it was little bit good enough for to survive. And in this village to another village also, like on the same road we can find out the two villages. This name is one is Shapur and one is Raiganj. So these village people they just do the farming work, and the other activity is they just dairy activity, and they're just doing the dairy activity, and also lots of another thing transporting activity. So on the roadside many vehicles, many tractors, tractors, buffaloes, cats, and lots of things they just carry on the road. So we don't say this thing that the village is highly developed village, but we can say that it was good enough for to survive on the village Palampur's villagers. So in this village have the two caste, like upper caste or lower caste. Upper caste people they just live in the bricks house. They live in bricks house or plastering their house, a very beautiful house. And the other lower caste people they live in the mud house. Who like mud house means like think a simple tin house. They just live in a tin house. And mud house like who the make by mud. So that's why I say that mud house. So anyways, so this is the thing. And this village has a lots of facility. This village has a two school, like one is higher school and one is government school. And this village has also two medical facility, two hospital, one of the private hospital and one of the government hospital. So now we learn a very important thing. The main points of this story we will learn now. So just listen, be careful. Don't skip any of the point of this video so you cannot learn anything. So now the thing is like a land. The thing is land. So for to farming, for to doing farming, so what we have to do? We have to just we first of all we have a land. Without land we cannot farm anything. So we must have land. So the main point of the thing is land, and then other is like fixed capitals. So like think we if we have the land, if we have the land, if we don't have money for to farming on our land, so this land is useful. So to have the money, it was a very useful, it was very important part for to farming anything. So when you invest some money for to farming your seeds, so the some you will after you just investing, so you will you will get the benefit after you just invest. So without invest we cannot get our benefit. So that is the thing. And then the second thing is fixed working capitals. What is the working capitals? Working capitals means our main useful thing for to doing the farming. What we need for to doing the farming, like tractor, shades, and lots of things we need to farm. So this is called working capitals. We did not change it day by day. Day after, for example, if we do 1 year farming, so then after next year we did not change it because it was very expensive for to buy. So if we just get these things, so we can easily farming anything. So this is called the working capitals. So then the second thing is like, and then now the thing is a labor. In the Palampur village, there have 400 4 to 420 people are 420 familiars are living the Palampur village. So for to doing work, so we need labor. For to doing our farming we need labor. Without labor you cannot do anything. So like think you have you do another work, like you are the master of a school, so you have land and you have lots of things, you have all the machines, all the things, but you do not have the labor. So how you just farming your seed? So that is the main point. Labor is a very useful for to farming anything. And now the second thing, now the fourth thing is that human capitals. So what is the human capitals? So like think you just make a factory. You just make a factory. So on the factory, if you did not have the good materials, if you did not have the good machine, so for to make any of the product, very it will very tough. It will be tough, and you have to give your 100%. You have to do the hard work for to increasing your product, for to make a product. So if you have the machine, if you have the material make your product, so it will easily just you can make. So that is called the human capitals. And the second thing is who. And now I will tell you the factory of a production. What is the factory of a production? So like think you just make you will you can you will make a factory. On the factory you just make some product for usable thing or for needable thing for people. So this is called the factory of production. So like on your factory you will make a new product, you will make a useful product for people. You just find out the problem of people, and you just work on the problems of the people, and you will make a product for people the needable life. So this is called the factory of the production. And now the and now land and now I now is the time land is fixed. So what is the land is fixed, and how what fixed? Now the third thing is a land is fixed. Like if you have a land, so we many people just many people they take the rented land. But if you have a land, so this land was fixed, you don't change it again and again. So if you just the meaning of the thing, if you have the land, if this land was fixed in after in season by season, you will just grow up, you will just grow your shit in season by season. So this is called land is fixed. On your land you will do lot of things, you will do lot of things on your land. So like thing why we did not Palampur village, there have not enough land. So that's why what do we do? That's why we have to fix our land, and season by season we have to work on it. Because the Palampur village population is growing day by day, growing day by day. So that's why people are lots of people, but seeds are short. So that's why we have to just do these things season by season. So this is called our land. because as I said that in Palampur village population is growing day by day. So how we just control it? So for to control our population, so we have to increase our seeds. We have to increase our seed, and we have to need lots of seeds, so more crop we have to grow than before. So if we just grow our seeds, so we can easily control our population. So I think to control our population, there is a good one thing are come in new thing, that modern farming methods. Yes, guys, modern farming methods. What is the modern farming methods, and how it will help us for to control our population? So modern farming method is when, like for example, modern farming method is whenever you do any kinds of farming. So if you just use this modern farming methods, so you will your seeds, your crops will grow up, like you grow up good. You So if you just use this modern farming method, so your crops, your seeds will grow up more and more, and you can get lots of thing, that what thing you just farming, you will get a lot of things. Like for example, before using the modern farming, we will get for example vegetable. I think we will get vegetable in 1030 300 kg per hectare, and after we using the modern farming, we will get 3200 kg per hectare. So it was a very useful for to control our population. And when we use this thing, so we did not have the short of food, so we can easily survive. So modern farming is good, but it has it has lots of problems. So what is the problem? So when we use the modern farming method, so we need lots of water. So this is the thing. And the second and the fifth thing is that who will provide the labor. So labor is like think who will provide, like upper caste people provide the labor, because they have lots of lots of land, so they have time to work on it. So what they do, so they just provide labor. They just call one of the labor, and then they said, you will should you farming my land, should you farm my land? And I said, okay, I will farm, I can do, but you will give me some food or money, and then I will farm on your land. And then they agree, and then the upper caste people, they give money or food, and then in the extra food they sell into the town. So this is called the thing they provide. Upper caste people provide the labor, and then the sixth thing is a very important for to farming, for to farm any of the land. So capitals is very important, as I say in the first. So capitals is very important. If you did not have the capitals, if you did not have money, so you did not do any of the farming or any of the thing. So if you have the capital, so you can easily farm any of the places, and you can also buy lots of seeds, and you can buy lots of varieties of seeds, and you so this is a story. I hope you all are just understand, and you all are learn a lot of things from this story. This story is also a very important story. So if you just like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, because if you just subscribe my channel, so I got motivated, and I just upload lots of motivational video for your better English speaking. And this is also an English speaking practice. If you do this practice at your home, you can easily speak it. And now also I just decide to make video all of my story. So now you will enjoy this video, I hope so. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like this video. If you just like this video, so thank you, and I will meet you in the next more important video.